Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried rice at home. The secret to perfect fried rice starts with preparation. You'll want to use day-old, cold rice, which prevents it from becoming mushy. Gather all your ingredients, like your chosen protein, vegetables, and sauces, before you even turn on the stove. This method, called mise en place, ensures a smooth and quick cooking process, making your culinary journey much more enjoyable and efficient. First, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in your wok or large skillet over high heat. Add your protein, such as 4 ounces of diced chicken or shrimp, and cook until it's nearly done, about 3 to 4 minutes. Remove it from the pan. Next, add your harder vegetables, like 1/2 cup of diced carrots and 1/4 cup of peas, stir-frying for about 2 minutes. Finally, quickly sauté 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger for 30 seconds, until fragrant. Now, push the cooked vegetables and aromatics to one side of the pan. Add 2 cups of cold, day-old rice to the empty side. Use your spatula to break up any clumps, ensuring the rice is evenly distributed and heated through. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar over the rice. Stir everything together vigorously, allowing the rice to absorb all those wonderful flavors for about 2 minutes. For the grand finale, create a small well in the center of your fried rice. Pour in 1 beaten egg and scramble it quickly, then mix it into the rice. Stir in 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, tossing everything together for about 1 minute to ensure all ingredients are well combined and heated through. Your homemade fried rice is now ready. Serve it immediately as a satisfying meal or a fantastic side dish. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.